this image was like that, and from that we came to this. Would you like to know how? Let's follow the video. So first you have the photo selected. So if you want to, although this video is all about how to add bokeh in your portrait, but what I could do a little bit of enhancement, for example, just to bring this image into life before I add some bokeh. Obviously, even though subject is one matter, but you need to, make sure the quality is good enough. And then, personally, I'm a big fan of adding some mystical glow. So I'm going to add some glow because, it brings some nice film vibe. So that's done. And finally, I could go to portrait, and then, you can add the amount. So in this case, I'm going to go all the way to, let's say, around 50. See what it gives me. Now, depends on your image. It might take, depends on your image and depends on the power of your computer. It might take some time, right? So in my case, let's see if it's doing something. So not yet. So what I could do, I could give it a go. I could wait a little bit. Now, I can go to the background and I can add the brightness as much as I can, right? And raise the warmth just a little bit. Now finally, let's see that in action. So that's before and that's after. Before and after. Now I'm going to go back to the portrait AI bokeh again and bring it all the way to 100, and just to see exactly what it gives me. Clearly you can see that the background is getting really blurred, almost like a real world bokeh like. So when you click the portrait bokeh, this should be your area to go, depends on how much you want. I could go backward a little bit, and the focus, this is the size of the brush, and it can, refine the edges based on your image. It can refine the edges as much as you like. Now, just for fun, now you know exactly how to do that in Luminar Neo, how to add bokeh. But we are not here. We are here for perfection. So for the perfection, I could go back to the Relight, and I want to make the subject a bit more brighter. So I'm going to add some more brightness at the foreground. So brightness near. And the background is too distracting. So I'm going to reduce the brightness from the background. Now, check this one out. Now we are talking because the subject really stood out. That's exactly what we want. And last but not the least, I could go to matte and add some fadeness. There you go. Because it's really nice for portrait photography. So there it is. Again, I'm going to show you before and after. So that's our previous photo. Quite basic. And this is after. So if you like this software and if you like my channel, like and subscribe, and you have the link in the description below which will help you to purchase or at least try Luminar Neo. I just said Luminar, I don't know why. Luminar Neo. Look after yourself and bye-bye.